Hi everyone. So now I'm going to show you how to install a Unity engine in your device. So if you like it, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So as for at first you have to search for Unity Hub. So after searching Unity Hub, you will find the Unity Hub software. So here you can see the download button, download for Windows. So click on here. After clicking on here, this will start downloading. So as for me, I already have downloaded it. Okay, let it download again, no problem. Okay, I am skipping the downloading part, so you can see it when it is downloaded. So as you can see, the download is complete, so I'll open it now, showing you folder. Then click on this, double tap on this, then run. So as you can see, you can download it from here. Just install it like other software. I already installed it, so I don't have to install it again. So cut it. After installing it, you will see this, and you have to log in first. So I have an account already. So when you will install it, you will find the login form to log in. Then you have to log in this. Then after that, you will, here you can see install editor. Click on here. So here you can see different versions of Unity software. So you can download anything from here, or you can also download archive from here. Download visit or download archive file. Okay, after installing it, it will be installed, and after installing it, you will find the project folder like this, and here in this projects you can create new project like clicking on this. So from here you can choose for mobile, 2D mobile, 3D mobile games, 2D core. So if I create a project and click on create project, the project will be created. So after the project will be created, this tab will open. So this is the Unity setup. So that's how you can do it. It's pretty easy actually, it's not that difficult. And why we use Unity Hub is that Unity Hub, you can just find different versions here. Then you can add, like you can click here and add compound line arguments. No, not from here. From here you can see, you can add modules here. Whatever you need, you can add from here. So that's why this is important actually. This is pretty easy for this. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you like the video.